Now that all this is done, we'll go to the next step and we will generate the girders. So referring to this figure, we will have to generate the girders for the section CS2, CS3 and CS4. The bridge is divided like that, so 36, 33, 36. So and we'll use the section 1, the section 2 and section 3. So this is important for the construction stage after. And here you have the method to generate that into Midas Civil. So let's come back to Midas Civil and I will show you how to do that. Let's go first to the top view and verify that the snap option are selected on position, so nodes and elements are selected. Now click on node element tab and create node, and we'll create the first node at 00 coordinate. Then we will copy this node at a distance in y direction of 6.15, which is actually the distance between the two main beams, and click on apply. Now you have your two nodes, one here and one here. Now we'll use the extrude function to create the beams. So you have to click first on select all to select the two nodes, then choose node line element, element attribute, it will be beam, material A53, section 1, generation time translate, and here we'll choose unequal distance. So it is in this window that we will define the distance. So don't choose the axis X, and here in the distance we can enter how we'll define the different nodes. So 1, 4, 3 at 5, 1, 4, 5 at 5, 4, 1, 3 at 5, 4, 1, 7 at 5. Now you just have to click on apply and we have your whole bridge. So it's quite easy to create this kind of bridge model. Now we will define the section directly like that. So we will directly drag and drop the section from the walktree on the bridge model. So let's come back to the top view. You can hide the section of the bridge and here close this menu and go in the Works tab. Now the section 2, actually the section 1 has already been defined for all the beams, so we only have to change the section 2 and section 3. So the selection, the elements selected for the section 3 will be from 17 to 40. So 17 to 40, enter, and it will be selected automatically here. Now you only have to take the section and to drag and drop it on the screen to assign these section to these elements. Now for the last construction stage, we have to assign the section 3. So again we enter the element 41, 2, 6 enter. The element will be selected and we have to drag and drop the section to assign it. Now we'll generate the cross beams. So to do that, we can activate the nodes number. We'll first create an element. So for the first element we'll do will be simply by so here you see you cannot select the nodes, so this is because I unactivate the snap for the nodes. So activate the snap again. Now you can focus on the nodes. Select these two elements and you created your first cross beam. To generate the others, we'll first of all go back to Node Elements tab, choose Translate, and select these elements so we can use the feature Select Recent Entity because we just created this new element. Now use the copy mode. We'll use equal distance. Here it will be in the x direction 5, and the number of time will be the length of the bridge divided by 5 because we have some cross girder every 5 meters. Now click on apply and it will generate automatically all the cross beams.